Max Life Insurance Company. He has entrepreneurial approach with the focus towards building sustainable business with 21 years of experience. Amit also launched different business in Max Life under the brand name as Rakshak. He is the alumni of ISB Hyderabad and is a product of Indian Institute of Human Rights. On that note, Amit, over to you to start on with your presentation.
Okay, Jai Hind everyone. This is Amit Vig. I'm the CVP with Max Life, and around 21 years I have been a learner, and I continue to be a learner till we retire. And so as we live to learn. And I must thank UBS Forum and especially Swati, who could engineer all this platform for all of us where we can exchange mutual ideas and exchanges. So I'm going to talk about the topics which we have been given to me. That is basically CRM and the role of artificial intelligence in insurance. So for me, the impact of CRM and AI is huge as far as business is concerned in the life insurance. And the CRM is often referred to as a process or a strategy where you utilize your technology, to manage your relationship with the customer. And customer is the king, we all know. And few years back, I was in Switzerland, and I was just eating my lunch there, and I could see one big poster, and the poster said that customer is the only person who can fire even the CEO, because if customer stops giving you money and starts investing in some other company, so the company is gone. And I still belong to that mindset that if you're not able to sell the right things to your customer and you don't engage your customers with you through your customer obsession principles, things will go haywire. So at Max Life, the sales calls, the lead creation, follow-ups and closes are all done by Frontline through CSG. We are using this platform for years now, and we keep reinventing ourselves. We have softwares which reminds sellers about renewals and also handles non-financial customer service requests to reduce the TAT and efforts. And as I was talking about my journey in life insurance industry, that how the claim ratios have gone up and the TATs have reduced, I think this is because of the CRM and this is because of the artificial intelligence. This has played a very vital and significant role in controlling and setting things right. So basically there are three key areas to be focused on the journey of digital transformation and adapting new technology. First of all, per se life insurance industry, first of all it is volume. So the sheer ability to handle the volatility of modern ask, in a timely and a cost-effective manner is very important. Second is scalability for every business. So the flexibility and scalability of business has been under the scanner in recent times, and particularly in terms of their ability to sales the scalable support and service for sales. And third, the most important point which someone in the panel also spoke is agility, because this is unseen, still you don't do it. So the ability of a business to respond to the unseen demand and need or taste the customer without significant lag or compromise is the quality which we want to offer to the customers. If you're not agile, obviously there is a miss, there is a gap which one has to nurture. So the best ways to manage sales campaign effectively. So it is important to know what exactly your goal is before you start managing the campaign effectively. What is to be achieved through that sales campaign is something which one has to decide. So Max Life has always been successful in adopting segment-wise approach. For example, we have 4 proprietary channels which focus on different segments. And to name, first is defense. As I said, we don't market ourselves, we don't plan our campaigns for civil market. We only sell in defense forces. Our sales come about 80% from Indian Army, and rest 20% is divided into paramilitary. So we have to adopt the culture of Fauj. We have to understand the customer mindset a Fauji has. We have to design the underwriting limits a Fauji should get. We have to design the medical limits a Fauji should get. So this is a pure example of CRM, that you just come out of the crowd and you start getting into a segment where everything is new. So you have to learn how to get the best customer experience for them. And this is what we have been doing for past many years now. And you won't believe, at the moment, we have about 25 to 30,000 soldiers who are covered by Max Life. because we could engage ourselves the way the Forge engaged within themselves. Then we have a other channel known as APC. So this is a premier channel. So in this, digital tools are used so that totally different focus on promoting business through our partners and through promoting our sellers to enroll more sellers. So in this business, you have to be very different because you are getting into a market which is huge. And if you do a miss in catering to the right people with the right product, with the right solution, your business will not work. So you have to adapt yourself to a customer-centric approach. And two businesses are very different. So this is an example of second step, which is knowing your audience and creating tools and strategies based on that. So our way of utilizing social media platforms helped us gain customer attention and brand awareness. We keep doing our NPS scores, and whenever we do our NPS scores, we see a growth in NPS scores where a customer come and say good job, and then there is a time when a customer and say this is not a good job, I want an improvement, and we again improvise. So CRM is not a permanent solution. It is something which needs daily innovation. It needs something which daily you keep churning and learning through the process. So we have got interactive webinars, we have got interactive ads, and post pandemic we have made customer centric videos where even a normal physical guy doesn't go to sell. A normal guy doesn't meet the customer. He sends the videos, he sends the product videos, and the customer know what is he buying. So that is a change in the CRM post pandemic, because people don't want to meet people. So what do? You can't stop selling insurance. And the best part with this pandemic is people started realizing that they can die. So the volumes of insurance is growing. And if you start giving your claims based on CRM and AI, you will do wonders. So that is what we are doing. So there are best practices for complex sales campaign modules. So the number of agents is reduced substantially as active agents retire and remaining agents rely on technology to increase productivity. We have 50,000 agents in Max Life. You just can't run them if you don't have a specific digital platform or AI enabled solutions for them. How do you manage large teams? So to manage large teams, CRM is the only solution. So agents are smart personal assistants. They know how to optimize their works. So we have got AI enabled bots. We have to find out our potential clients. We have got into a lot of e-commerce companies where we collect data through CRM, through lead generation, through Salesforce, which helps in efficiencies and productivities. So, the bigger question is, will AI integration help increase sales? Answer is yes. Why? Because the experience of purchasing insurance is faster with less active involvement on the part of the insurer and the customer. So for us, it is easy to know the customer, and for the customer, it is very easy to know what Max Life is, what Max Life offers. So CRM is a win-win situation. AI is a win-win situation for both of us, for the customer and for the seller. So although the technical shifts in the industry will be tech focused, addressing them is not the domain of the IT team. Instead, board members, customer experience teams, they all have a deep understanding of AI, and we are investing hugely in our AI to enable our business. So building on the insights of AI explorations, careers, we have to focus on the technology on the business strategy. पहले हम बोर्ड रूम में बैठते थे, 10 लोग बैठ के बोर्ड रूम स्ट्रैटेजी बना देते थे, and there used to be Excel and everyone used to run after. Now it is not so. So there are algorithms, there are new labs which give you a customer centric experience. So all these are very important. So till the time you don't invest in AI, you don't invest in customer solutions, you will get obsolete. So if you get obsolete, then obviously some other will take that market share. So अब it is not a choice कि CRM करना है नहीं करना है, artificial intelligence लेनी है नहीं लेनी है. It is not a choice. There is no option. You have to do it. How heavily you do it, how immensely you do it is something which a company has to decide. But customer needs the best experience. He is the king. He will always remain the king. So augmented chess, average players enabled by AI trying to do better than expert chess players. And you must be aware that the people who were AI enabled to play chess, they won better than the other people. So how organization effectively track and analyze the process is the key area. So in Max Life, we have a multi-year cloud transformation journey that will enable the company to be more agile, resilient through elastic on-demand infrastructure. We are managing 80% plus transactions with respect to business via digital platform. I'm talking about a company which sells about 10 lakhs insurance policies every year. Out of that, 80% is totally on digital platforms. This is something which pandemic made us realize. And this process we started 5 years back. At that time, none of us knew that coronavirus is going to come. But there is a visionary approach for CRM and AI, and one has to invest in that. So we see digital dimensions of experience, intelligence, and business process automation become more prevalent in the enterprise process and workflows. So 4 AI related trends shaping insurance at the moment. So the first one is explosion of data from the connected devices, which we spoke about in the panel. And the second is the increased prevalence of physical robotics. So in the experience, in the coming time, intelligent chatbots that has been integrated with Google Assistant, WhatsApp servicing, intuitive help centers on the website of companies, and automation through the use of bots to answer queries in emails is a process which is following day by day. Even the mutual fund industries now, because the volumes have grown so high that they are promoting bots. You pick up Aditya Birla Fund, go to the chat box, the bot will tell you everything about your mutual fund. Every insurance company who wants to leverage sales will tell you what is happening. Even if you want to register a claim, it is very much possible through robotics. It is very much possible through chatbots. So the customer doesn't have to go to the branches. I remember long time in LIC, people used to make a queue and stand कि हमारा number कब आएगा, and all that has gone. So thanks to the CRM and thanks to the AI support companies are investing in. And the third is open sources and data ecosystems. See, you have to create a data ecosystem, and for creating any ecosystem, you have to invest. You just can't run without investing. So once you invest, you are able to retain the customer better. Because as an insurance company, you don't sell one only policy known as term insurance. You sell child future, you sell retirement solutions, you sell whole life plans. If you're not able to retain a customer, he's going to go to some other company and buy a policy. So the customer is there for all of us who are on this platform. Who reaches the customer first, who sells the customer the right, is something which is very important. तो customer है बाजार में, आप नहीं जाओगे कोई और जाएगा, but customer को तो चाहिए. So you have to be very efficient so that you can keep renewing the customer, because once a customer is 25-year old, you sell him term, he gets married, you tell him now you are 2 people, she also needs an insurance. They have a kid, you have to sell the child protection. Then there are golden years, you have to sell the retirement solution. So this is very important. So through CRM, if you don't retain the customer very well, things will not benefit. So there is a study of McKinsey. If McKinsey says that in India, a normal customer has got 4 to 5 insurance policies from different companies. My question is, why can't a guy take 4 policies from one company? Because he definitely finds some value in life which his old insurance company is not able to give. So he switches on to the next insurance company. And again he finds that issue and he switches on to the third and the fourth. But if you are a right CRM, if you have a right investment in AI, if you know your customer, if you know your audience, why a customer should leave you? And that is where the mullah lies. So my suggestion and what we are practicing is that please create ecosystems within the organization, within the channels. And then the advances in cognitive technologies. So there is a lot of technologies, there are a lot of things available where you can actually bank on. The most important part in insurance is underwriting and pricing. Every product has a different price, different margin, and you have to have a different underwriting limits. So we are helping ourselves through CRM and through AI on even pricing and underwriting. So underwriting, as we know, is today ceases to exist for most personal and small business products across life and property because of the casualties. So the process of underwriting is reduced to a few seconds as the majority of the underwriting is automated. So we have just automated the entire underwriting. आपके पास एक केस आया, अंडरराइटर के पास गया, it is automated. It will tell us that is this life a good life to be taken risk of or not. You save time, you save money, you save manpower. So these are few things which we need to understand. So a cloud native underwriting and a platform has also been built to help the company to reduce the issuance time by 70%. तो जिस चीज को इशू करने के लिए 7 दिन लगते थे, इसके लिए आज 3 दिन लग रहे हैं. So imagine the cost we have saved. So these are all very important things, and this is what we have been practicing. So I think as a human being, as an individual, and as a corporate vice president for Max Life, my view is till the time companies don't invest in CRMs, don't invest in AI, you will get obsolete. Because the customer wants everything today. You can't tell a customer the button of this shirt is good, the handcuffs of this shirt is good. He wants the entire piece of shirt to look good. And you have to make that customer centric experience for him to be there. And that is how you will get the customer back. You will get the efficiency of your business. You will lower your price and you will make profits. So profit is always not about generating business. Profit is all about generating business and putting the cost lower. So that is something, a vision has to be there where you are a customer centric person. So that's all from my side. Any questions? Happy to take them.
Thank you, sir, for the presentation, such an enthusiastic presentation and wonderful presentation, sir. Really appreciate. For sure, people would have gained from the insight that you have shared with us.
Thank you.
In interest of time, sir, I will request if we have any questions, you can address them on individual basis.
Sure.
In the chat room or in the
Happy to
Q&A
take them.
sections.
Thank you. Thank you, UBS. Thank you, Swati.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the time and presentation. Okay, audience, let's move to our last part.